Can we do that again? What?
You missed it.
Start it over.
No, the reaction is done.
Oh, God. Oh, Lord, have mercy on my soul.
There is more gravy if you want it.
Where's the rest of it at?
Here, I'll get it for you. Hold on. Wait. No, wait.
Holy shit.
Hold on, wait.
Do it. Let's just do it.
Wait,
do it.
okay, there's more gravy. Do you want to just heat it up or do you want to just stick it in?
I'm just gonna stick it fucking in.
You're gonna stick it fucking in, okay.
Oh. Oh.
Lord Jesus.
Mmm.
There's a fire.
Oh my God. Holy shit. Mmm. That's some good cooking. Oh my God. My soul's on fire. And not because, you know, I don't go to church. Oh, God. Holy shit. Oh, Lord have mercy. My mom's really going to hate you after this.
Oh, jeez, thanks.
You realize this, right?
Okay, I never wanted that.
Oh, well, you know, she can't cook like you do.
Oh!
Oh, God.
No woman in my family can cook like you do.
Oh, goodness.
Oh, they can bake, but they can't cook. Oh.
He's dipping again.
Oh.
He's just getting all in there, and there it is.
Mm.
And there's the face.
Mm.
I'm gonna have to pull out the big guns for his birthday dinner.
We're establishing we weren't cooking that right.
He wants me to make my lasagna.
You're buying the ingredients. You ain't cooking this.
Oh.
He wants my lasagna.
It was gonna be anything like your fried chicken, Maddie.
Oh.
And that was on video. I'd rather it cooked all the way, not, you know.
Oh, more gravy? Would you like more gravy, sir?
Oh, yes, I would love more gravy.
There you go. Okay.
Oh, God, that's... Oh, God, and... Oh, that gravy is so thick. There's a lot of it. Divine. Oh, my God. Oh, if this was like a restaurant's like gravy, I'd be a food critic, I'd be like, oh, my God. Best gravy ever. Fuck yeah. Mmm. Oh. And do I dare?
Oh, okay. And just broccoli, cheddar, rice, side dish. No, not in there.
Not in there? Mm-hmm.
No.
Oh. Oh.
Hmm?
That's your gravy?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, shit. You're getting a heyday out of this, aren't you?
Mm-hmm. Yes, I am. Here, wait. I'll even... Wait. Oh, I don't have any more spoons there. Oh, wait. Fork.
Ooh. Oh, yeah. This is the... Oh, that rice. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, fuck. This sounds like some weird-ass porn or something.
I know, that's what it sounded like in the living room. I'm like, I better go in and check and see what's going on in my kitchen.
God. Literally, this gravy. Oh. Holy fucking hell.
Oh, God.
Mm-hmm.
Did you taste the beans yet?
I have not.
Oh.
Oh.
Wait, now we're going in for the beans.
Yes, we are.
Uh-huh, and...
Oh, I love me some baked beans. Some good-ass baked fucking beans. Holy shit. Oh. Oh, Lord. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Mmm.
Okay, can I stop this now?
You can stop that.
Okay.
You can stop whenever you wanted to, baby.
Okay.
And you're good.
Bye.
You're good.